Hi everyone, how are you? In today's video, we are going to cover pagination, search, and how to do the sorted list. Just to recall, we are building a job board where we are showing all these jobs. But if you see these jobs, even though we are showing in a pagination, it's really not a pagination. So what that means is if you do the inspect to the network call and refresh the page, it fetches all the jobs. So if you see, it fetches all these 50 jobs, 52 jobs, even though we are showing only 10. So how to limit it only for the 10 jobs or a per page jobs, like it only fetches 10. Why we want to do pagination? Because that is fast and we are not showing information that is not required to the user. So how we will do the pagination? So instead of a 52 jobs, it only fetches 10 job at first. And then when user click on next button, then only fetches the job from 11 to 20. So how to do that? So for that, let's come back to our development here. So on this page, we need to create one custom state. So since we already have this one, this is a custom page, current page number. What is the current page that we need to show? And then we have to go on this element, database element that we already have. So now go to the limit thing. This is order, this is order. Yeah, come here. Say limit by range, yes. Limit count, how many rows you want to show in a page. That is a 10. And this is limit from to 2. So we want to show initially 0 to 1. So how? So 0. So it will be going to be job list current page number multiply by 0 plus 1 because we want to show it from 1 to 10 and then limit to job list current page number multiply by 10 because we want to fetch 10 jobs. So now eventually by default page number is 1, 1 multiplied by 0, 0, then it's a 1 and it will be the 10. And when someone click on next, it will go to the increase the page number. So something like that. So current page number job list plus 1. So it will automatically increase it. And when someone click on previous, it will be current page minus 1, right? So technically what happens, first it will fetch jobs from 1 to 10, right? And then the current page customer state value will be the 1, right? But when we do on the second page, it should be 11 to 20 when the current page is equal to 2. So now that we have to check. So now if you go here, go on this RFT, and if you see this job list page number is 2, 2 multiplied by 0. Oh, it should be 0 then 0, 1. So that is wrong. Okay, we need to fix this. So this will be ideally be current page number minus 1 and multiply by 10. So we multiply. So in case of the current page number 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Uh, multiply by 10, 0. And then in case of the 2, it will be 2 minus 1, that is 1, multiply by 10. So that will be 10. So we need to do plus 1 also. So that it will show. Now that is correct. Now if you come here and see the data, so it fetches the data 1 to 10. You can see the API calls here also. It only fetches the 10 values only. And now I just delete it. If I click on the next, see offset is 11 and limit is 10. So it fetches the next 20 data. And you can click on next and then it so on fetch. Right. So that's how it works. And offset basically demonstrate you the starting point where it will start, like from 11 to 20, and then a limit will be tell you the next data, right? So that's how it works. Now pagination is done, right? If you have any question related to this, do comment it out. And also I have shared this bubble editor also that will help you to check what exactly I have done it. Now let's go with the sorted thing. So how do the sorted? So I have created this drop down. If you go and check. So if you see this drop down, that have all of these sorted by thing, right? So that is a option set basically. So it can be sorted by job title, it can be sorted by job title in a descending thing, created at, and all of this. And I have put a option set data type something like this. This is the column name. It will tell on which column it will sort it out, is ascending or descending, or forward the display value, right? So this is how I have set up the sorted by. Now when someone choose the value, it's then it should show the data. So how we will do? We will come here. We will go into the not the filter. We need to go order by. Order by. Here we need to pass the column which we need to sort it on. So we will pass um, drop down job sorted selected value column name. Reference table. Which table it is reference? So go to your Supabase and see this is the table we need to reference. Say copy name and this is paste. Is it ascending or not? So that will be chosen from the job drop down, selected value is ascending. So it will tell us that it's ascending. So I have sorted by one thing, one parameter. If you want to sort it based on the two column, three column, you can do that also. We have done one mistake. We don't need to pass here the reference table. It will automatically pick from top, but that is more for a joining. So if we are joining table multiple joining multiple table and wants to put column name of that specific joining table. So that's where this reference table comes out. So if you refresh the thing, so you can see now you're getting data. So I can filter it based on job title. So now do ascending and descending. So that will be thing. So now that is done. Now let's put this search. How to search job title here so that it will source into the table, right? Because right now if you search, nothing will happen. So if you come in here, we have this input search. Uh, then we can say fetch job, and here we need to come in the filter thing, right? Here. So this enable filter, this filter only enable when there is a data in this input search. So what we do, input search value is not empty. So that will be yes, otherwise no. Filter type. So is equal to, you can choose from all of this, but let's go with the column is equal to a value. Simple. Filter name, the name of the column that you want to filter. Here, if you see, this is the job title column that we want to filter. And filter value, that will be the input search value. Right. So this works. Okay, so since this filter is applied, so we have to figure it out a way to not apply it. Okay, so if I don't pass the column name, so it will not. So I will, if I this input search value is not empty, then only pass the name of the column. That's a kind of bug with this plugin. Ideally, it should handle this way, but there is a bug. So by default, it show all of the data. Now let's filter on this. QA engineer, right? So only the QA engineer will filter now, right? Or will did jobs will be so. So you can make it much more interesting with this uh, like column is a value, right? So contained by the value. So you write it like simply QA, it will just filter it out rather than writing a QA engineer full. So this is about the this video. In this video, we have learned three things: pagination, how to set up pagination on Supabase bubble, sorting, and searching. Hope this adds a value in your life. And yeah, if you have any question, any doubt, just comment it out.